jungle. Deep in the jungle, waterfall in the jungle. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Wow, the quick jump. Hits me right away. Got a little swim over there. That's it. Yep, the next level now. When you take the journey from Luang Prabang to Tad Sae Waterfall, it's going to take your breath away. It has so much beauty to offer, and you know, it's best done by motorbike. When you arrive at Tad Sae, you'll need to take a boat to the area where the waterfall is. Pretty easy. There's guys on the bank and they'll be able to like direct you in the right direction. So we just arrived at Tad Sae Waterfall. I'm going to see all the wonders and sights in here. Oh, excited for it. Alright, so first things first, got to buy a ticket. As per usual, foreigners 15, allow people 10. But it comes with the territory. อันนี้เป็นคนลาวนึงแล้วก็คนต่างชาตินึงอันนี้ชาวแล้วก็10 Just as you walk in, you see the first little waterfalls. They're not big ones, they're small ones, but as per usual, it has that lush, clear water. Oh, just gonna jump up, have a little look at them over here. Manny, ah, she doesn't want to come. I like to look at them myself. Woo-wee. Look at this, absolutely amazing. Just above this area right here, you have, oh, aqua blue waters. My God. When I thought Kung Si was good, man, this one, wow, absolutely major. Oh, beautiful. Check out the blueness, aqua blue beside me.
Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
As you can see to my right, people just take pictures there, man. It's picture perfect, man. Absolute beauty. I love coming to these places. You get to relax and see different things. Ooh, relax, chill. Wonderful, wonderful day. Oh, little platform. Just found it right over the water. Oh, have a look at that. It is just carved beautifully. Right there, look at that. Oh, going up the level. This one we're not swimming in, maybe one of the stream we will swim in. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this one behind. I'm going to go swimming in it later. But we're going to take this path up here. I'm going to go see the other waterfalls first. Come on. Come on, come on. Yeah, so we're going to go up here. And go to the top one, swim in that one, and then come back down this way. Whoa, body hack. Okay. A little bit broken. It's fine, it's fine. Don't worry, I will go first. It was a little bit broken. Not too much. Oh, wow, it's beautiful. So she didn't want to come up with me to the top one. It's a bit far, you know, a bit tiring, so I'm going to go by myself. back across the wonky wobbly bridges and see what's at the top. I'm excited. The last 2 years did do its damage on this place. Oh, look at that. Now, I don't know how to walk on this. It's gonna break through or anything, man. The water don't seem so deep, as you see. I just catch my leg on something. But Jesus, wow. Let's see how sturdy this is. It seemed, oh, yeah, I'm seeing there's a wobble there. Looking down there, I'm not too sure about that bridge over there. Yeah, I'm gonna take the safe route for now. I'm gonna go up that way. It's probably, the thing is, it's probably the same place or destination. So yeah, although I wanted to go across the bridge, it's one of those things where, you know, I get hurt, I go into water, no one's here to save me. So at this moment in time, yeah, I just want to take the good one. So yeah, I'm just gonna trek up this way.
Gonna cry when you're gone.
If you do decide, it is a bit of a hard trek. As you can see down there, that's the higher coming in about 2 minutes, 2 minutes. And I see it goes up and up and up. And just like with anything else that's hard, I'm taking that. The hard stuff is always worth it at the end of the day. And as a man, you need to take on the challenges in life, because you will miss the opportunities you never take. Nearly there. I can hear the rumbling of the water. I'm sweating like hell, eh? What I do like about this as well is that I am, you know, alone. Like before, I was with, you know, Nang, and when you take somebody else, unless it's a guy or it's a girl, you've got to look out for them sometimes, you know. Make sure they're okay. You have a sense of responsibility when it's a female. Now I'm on my own, I can do my own thing, walk at my own speeds, you know, discover how I want. I don't have to worry about, oh, I have to go back now. Because we were going to go to this cave, and she's like, oh, it's too high, blah, and she went back. And I was like, all right, no worries, I went back. But this one's like, nah, I really, like the cave, like, I can kind of see the cave. But the waterfall, this is something I want to see, I want to swim in. I don't think anybody else is here today, because it's too far. Everybody like wants to stay at the nice one. And me, well, I want to see this good one. Wow, this is such a cool tree. The way it winds around all the way to the top, man. That's so cool. I've never seen something like this before, man. Maybe, I think it's one of them vines that attaches and then it just wraps around, whatever it is, to keep itself going. Yeah, nature's cool, man. Nature's so cool. So I just got to a secret area. Two guys are there, we're getting a bit frisky. And I'll show you this other area first before I jump into the lagoon. Look at this. Ah. Yeah, it's a bit of a trek, but this is what you're missing out on if you don't come down this way. Look at this, beautiful. Look at that. Woo. You know what time it is, eh? You know what time it is. It's lagoon swim time. All right, let's jump in, let's jump in. Whoa! Wow. As per usual, it is freezing. Woo! See, the one issue I have is jumping in, because if it's not too shallow, if it's not too deep, I'm gonna hurt my leg. So I go bit by bit when I first go in. As per se, on that bike, solid rock. In the jump. Smashed myself into some solid rock there. From the joke, it reminds me of the first waterfall I went to. world in the jungle. Oh yeah. Gonna have a little swim over there. Let's go. Gotta be a bit careful because the rocks are jagged, horrible. And some of the parts it is not deep. It's quite shallow. You can see I'm walking right now. Yeah. Ooh, man. Love being here, man. It's absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. After those people went, I have this place to myself, eh? Oh, shit. Oh man, this is a shallow pool. Absolute shallow. Like my finger right now is touching the ground. Look that up. Alright, so go right here. So you see this one's a bit green, and this one goes straight into an aqua blue. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. I think because some of the mud there, stuff like that.
When you're gone.
Down back at the first one, so we're gonna have a little trek up here. Let's go. Slippery surface. Slippery and cold. So I'm seeing how shallow this part is, but so a bigger pool over there. Let's jump over there. Now it's super slippery on this part. Whee! I am 100% gonna fall on my ass. I know this. Oh yeah! There we go. There it is. Bing, bada boom, bada bam. Woo! Oh yeah! Look at that! Excellent! There we go. No slippery surface here, eh? Nice and solid on this part. We're up to the next level now. Here we go. Spider-Man style. Ah, there we go. Here we go. Alright, look at that. Ha ha! Oh, there's a little current on this part. Forward, go, stop the surface. Why are those foreigners a bit crazy, eh? Oh, that is a rapid torrent. Look at that. Look at that. That is some rapid torrents going on. Yes, get in there, man. Yes.
I'm gonna cry when you're gone.
Believe it. So, well, just from top there, I threw my GoPro in, and I didn't realise the current. I wouldn't believe it. So, well, just from top there, I threw my GoPro in, and I didn't realise the current. It took it right down there. Oh, saved it just in time. Look at this. In his first fall. Oh my. Woo! Is all for Tad Sae. So if you liked the video and the place, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions about here or any place around Luang Prabang or simply here, comment below. And if you want to see more videos and adventures like this, subscribe. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. In the next episode, go back to Manafort Elephant Resort to see my longtime friends, experience the free elephants, and much, much more. See you there. So if you can see here, the elephants are taking their morning bath. Sawadee. Morning. Oh, dude. Yeah, just taking the morning bath right there. Taking the morning bath right there. One just finished. One's going down right now. Right behind the tree. Go right into the water. So as per usual, it's just beer, enjoy, and what's really good is I speak Laos as well. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Nam Dong.
Ni hao, ni hao. Sabai di. Buồnอย่างเดียว Ni hao, ni hao. Sabai di. Buồnอย่างเดียว
Right now, steak on the river.
I have look paper next Monday.